Okay, now let's welcome our second company. Is Zhaoliang Hangzhou Technology Company. So,
hi, good morning, Josie.
Hi, Mr. Zhao.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Okay, so anything you want to, you will have about 15 minutes to introduce about your company and product or any new design to ask.
Yes.
Okay.
So shall I begin?
Yeah. Here you go.
Yes. Good morning, Josie and all the audience. I'm Frank from Zhaoliang Hangzhou Technology Company, and nice to meet you all in this platform. And in the following time, I will have a brief introduction of our company and products. And first, I would like to introduce our companies. Our company, Zhaoliang Hangzhou Technology Company, is a trade company combined with China and Korea joint venture enterprises, and we have our own factories, Hangzhou Zhaoxing Electronic Companies, and our factory has more than 200 staffs, and we have our super strong product design team. And our products can be divided into two types. One is LED light source lamps, such as LED light bulbs or others. Another is LED fixture. Most of our products are at a very high power. And our market is mainly on Korea, Europe, and South America. And about another market, we also do the production value is about 60 million RMB, and this year we have a goal of 80 million RMB.
Oh, congratulations!
This is our production brief, and this is our brief company production.
So, as I know that you got a lot of certification, like
yes.
GS, TUV, German.
Yes, and we have Korea certificate of KS and KC.
Oh, that's great. So
our product, yes.
Go ahead, please.
And it tends to product. It tends to introduce the product, right?
Yeah. Would you like to show us your product, like walk us through and show us the physical thing?
Yes. Today I prepare 3 samples of the product. And the first one I would like to introduce is our special LED lamp. And we have our own name, ED90 and ED90. And it as a tulip lamp, or just simply say flower lamp. And this is the samples.
So,
and we have
what does this lamp use for? Like street lamp?
It can be used for in different situations, such as the garden lamp. You can use in the garden, and also in the street. You can use the fixture to cover the lamp, and also in the industrial use, it can be everything is okay.
So this one, since it's able to use on outdoor, it must be waterproof, right?
Yes, we have the standard IP standard to resistance the water and the dust.
So this is an outdoor lamp.
Yes, it's outdoor lamp.
Okay, so this is the first product. Would you let us know what's the voltage of this lamp?
We have 2 sides. The small side is ED90 and ED120. This one is ED120. The voltage is can be up to 6.
Oh, that's very big output.
Yes, and the feature, the size is compared with other traditional lamps. The size is small and have a much power luminous efficiency. Can be up to 130 luminous watt every wattage.
So it's high lumen also.
Yes, and we have the optional we have an optional adapter. We can change from E27 to E40. It is flexible.
Oh, I see. So how about the socket? So what kind of light socket had available for this kind of lamp? Because different socket had they were used for different market. Like North American, like Europe, they were using the different socket, like E27, E12.
And this our product many sales well in Europe, most in some European countries, and our product sales in Spain and Italy, most sales well in this product.
It's also hot sales in Italy. So
yes,
this is the first. So this is the first product. How about the second one?
And the second product is our cone lamp. It's our new product and put into mass production in 2019. And we get more than 10 orders from the Korea and European market. And the wattage is flexible, and as I said before, the advantage of our company is at a very high power lamps. So these lamps can be up to the wattage at a range of 20 to 200 wattage. And this is our more big power cone lamp. Yes, this is 120 wattage.
120.
If you want to get 200 wattage, then will be much bigger.
So the client is able to be, the wattage is able to be custom made. You could custom made the wattage.
Yes, and this product is suitable for personalized customization. And we can order the wattage, and we make a professional suggestion for him.
So I see in your profile, you're also having a lab to testing those LED lamp. Did you?
Pardon? Sorry.
So since you have a lab to testing, like you're in the line that they will have something like a testing lab, 实验室,
yes, we have our own labs. We have our professional team to make the samples. And I think our advantage is to make the sample quickly. If a customer asks us to provide some samples, I'm sure we can provide the samples within a week. No more than 10 days is our advantage.
Well, that's very fast. A week for a new product. I can't imagine.
Yes, and we have our test machines every connected with the light machines. We all can both test, such as the light source test report or some EMC test report, and the temperature or some searching. But we both can test.
So you could also provide a test report to the client, so the client that they could show to someone that want to know about the quality to be approved of the quality.
Yes, and we will before we deliver the samples, we will all test the product to ensure the good samples quality and make the customers to be satisfied with our product.
So there will be 100 fully QC that to ensure there's no quality product. That's the responsibility from Zhaoliang.
Yes, it's our goals and everyone should to obey the rules to make the customers satisfied.
That's brilliant. So how about the third product you want to show us today?
And the third product is a car park lamp. This one is 120 millimeters. It's comparatively longer. And this product we sell very well in Korea, in Asia market sells very well.
So would you?
And this product we have open 3 mode by ourselves.
Remote.
Yes, and the material is aluminum and PC cover. Yes, PC cover. And this is mainly useful in parking lot lamp. Parking lot. Used for
parking lot.
Yes. And this product we have 3 sizes is 60 millimeters, 60 millimeters and 80 millimeters and 120 millimeters.
So it's 16, 18, and 120 millimeter lens. So 3 different size for option.
Yes.
Would you like to introduction about the lumen, the voltage of this as well?
Yes, the luminous can be luminous efficiency can be 130 to 140. This is very high compared with traditional tray-proof lamps. And this 120 millimeters car park lamp, we can be the wattage to 80 wattage.
Oh, 80 wattage.
Yes, and the traditional tray-proof car park lamp only can make to 40 wattage, and we can make.
So your lumen is about twice of the market product.
Yes, our luminous can be high to 140. This is our advantage product, and there is no dark shadow when you light up the lamps. There's no shadow.
Even light.
Yes.
So the light effect is very good. No shadow, even light, and also the lumen, the voltage is twice double of the market.
Yes. And it's easy to installation. You can fix in the wall or just hang it lifted in the under the wall ceiling. It's 2 ways to installation.
Okay, so that will also help client to save their installation labor costs because it's easy installation.
Yes, it's very easy.
That's very brilliant. So beside the 3 products, do you have anything you want to let us know, or you want to share the contact of your company so the buyer that can get reach to you for more information?
Yes, and I hope this platform can share more our company's information and let more people to know our companies. And our goal is to let our company famous in the worldwide, not only in some European or just Asian countries. And our goal is to around the worldwide, South America or some Africa, so on. So I hope we can do that.
It will be. You have brilliant products. So you will just need a window, a bridge to let the world know.
Yes, we have our professional team and high good quality products, and we can deliver it on time. So that 3 is our advantage, and I firmly believe we can do that goals in the near future.
I believe you will. So would you let us know about your contact and how the client can find you?
Yes, this is my business card. Can you see the information?
Already. Yeah, we can see it.
Yes, this is our sales manager. Audience can connect with our sales manager.
Okay, so if the buyer or the customer are interested, or could contact Eric Lee, and also could contact our sales representative to get the contact of Zhaoliang Hangzhou.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your brilliant introduction today.
Thank you, audience.
So let's see next time, and we will look forward to see your new product next time.
Yes, you will see it next time.
Okay, thank you for today.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you.